Right, baby bag out in the pram. And here we are at Khmer New Year, Melbourne 2022, aren't we, mister? So although this isn't the bustling water fights that you might get in Phnom Penh or Siem Reap, this is what we've got. This is what Melbourne's got to offer. So we've got some, hey, the only option basically. So we've got some food and some music, and thankfully it's not decibel piercing music just yet. We're going back to Cambodia in about 3 weeks time. So if you want to see some stuff, leave me a comment and I'll try and do my best to make a video on that particular topic for you. I'm going to be there for 4 weeks. Kinal and Max are going to be there for 7 or 8 or so weeks. We're there for a couple of weddings, and we're there obviously to introduce Max to his Khmer family. So I think it's going to be very much like last time, where I did a lot of filming in a short amount of time and then edited and uploaded videos when I get back. Let's go check out what's going on. Okay, mister, let's have a look at some food. First, you've got these, look at that, beef skewers. Look good, mister?
Yeah.
Sister, Jim Saw. Smell good. Next up, you've got these. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. That's some sticky rice in banana leaves. We've got some fruit over here. We've got Orlando and Amelia. Hello, mister.
Hello.
What do we got here? We've got some pineapple with salt and chili, some other things, and then someone's kryptonite here in papaya salad. How much papaya salad are you getting?
1 box to share with Lavi.
That box there, that one there, that box?
No, like this.
Oh, okay. Are you telling him to make it quite spicy?
There's a non-spicy thing, there's a spicy thing.
Yeah, but are you getting it super spicy?
No, just normal spicy.
Oh, anyway, let's see what else we've got. Oh, we've got some sweet treats, it looks like here. I think that's sticky rice. Yummo. What I love, What are you getting, mate?
Oh, we're getting Cambodian called bánh sung.
Bánh sung?
Like a noodle or something like that.
Oh, okay. Bánh sung. You got some spring rolls here too. Pretty good. That's alright. And here we've got some other noodles and things. Oh, and here's some banana fritter. Have a look at this. Banana fritters. Round the back here. Oh, first Camry spotting. Look at that bad boy. That is an excellent Camry. Although it's silver, it's still a Camry. How are they cooking? Oh, yeah. Whoa. Basset thingos.
The lady said they're not allowed to sell fish paste, the brohok, the mixture brohok.
Yep.
The food controller came and checked. I think they're only allowed to sell like cooked food.
Yep.
But brohok's like raw and mixed.
Yeah.
So, but it's a Khmer delicacy.
Look at this pram. How handy it is to carry the carton of food. It's a food cart. It's a nice area. So you've got this thing here, which is a temple, and then this thing here behind us is like the community temple for Melbourne. And they have a stage there. Sometimes they have international artists come here and blast out the speakers with all of the treble. Usually it's not all packed, but then again, half the people are in line for beef, as you can see behind me here. Everyone's waiting for the beef skewers.
Mommy's getting the blanket.
Look at that. I was going to say, where's the chocolate? Oh, Danny's got him. Right, Kinal's going to take us through the smorgasbord she's procured from all these tents over here. What are we starting with?
We have bobo.
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 What's this?
This is like sticky rice custard.
Sticky rice custard.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
This
plum.
thing? Plums?
Been soaked in the hot water and sugars and salt.
Yep. That's your
Papaya salad.
super hot papaya salad. What's this here?
Also another bobo.
Oh, that's another babor. That's Lovey's
pineapple.
babor.
This is
What's special about the pineapple?
it's got chili and salt.
Salt and chili and pineapple. Yep.
And then this is Danny noodles with spring rolls
Spring rolls.
with special sauce.
Some special sauce. That's what Lovey lined up for. This stuff here, bro Lovey.
Popular in Cambodia.
Bro Lovey from Battambang.
Battambang. Yum.
Ma, yum, yum.
Right, you two tuck in, enjoy. Dinner has finished. We've got Max playing with Lando and Amelia. Lando, say hello. Hello. Amelia, say hello. Say hello. Oh gosh, he just takes off like a rocket. Fair dinkum. So Kinal and Lovey have just finished their food here. I'm going to get a review from Lovey on, was it any good? Any good, Chananga?
Rice porridge is a good one.
Yep.
And papaya salad, not too bad.
Not too bad, papaya salad. That's not what you said 5 minutes ago. You said it was shit house. You said there was no flavour in the papaya salad. I asked Lovey, how was the papaya salad? He goes, oh, not too bad. I said, mate, that's not what you said 2 seconds ago.
It's the worst I've ever had.
So I haven't bought food here because I know if I want Khmer food, she makes it really, really good. And I don't want to stay in line for half an hour, as much as it is nice to do. But
So they get another rice porridge.
more rice porridge?
Yeah.
Yep. Right, that's a winner. Oh, jeez. Okay, whilst they're occupied, let's go for a quick walk. Check out the stage. So everyone's having a lovely time. It's good. Good community. Here's the stage. We've got some folks in traditional dress over here. I wonder if they've got any international folks come through. So it's all going to kick off at some point, at which time we'll be at home in bed. The food wasn't that great at the Khmer New Year, so we've decided, if you can see me in the light, to come to Buckingham Avenue in here in Springvale, which is Cambodia Central. We are going to Angkor Reach restaurant, which is kind of where we go to get reasonable Khmer food. That's where we always go. Let's not beat around the bush. There's a bottle shop next door as well, which is here, called the TA Bottle Shop. Now, if you ever want Angkor beer or any Asian beer, these guys have got the lot. Mr. is knackered. Check out all the lovely delights on the wall. Where's their Angkor Wat picture? Angkor Wat is behind the thing there. Jibber Tsua. Top video.
Promotion 2010.
Welcome to Cambodia 4-star restaurant.
4-star. Oh, 5-star.
Number 14, Buckingham Avenue, Springvale.
Beautiful. So here's our menu. Standard Cambodian style menu. Angkor Wat with a love heart on the front, which is excellent. And you've got 1,000 things you can choose from. I get, which is a bit barang of me, lok lok, which they use eye fillet to make, which is really, really nice. You've got like core, noodles, a lot of fish. Kinal likes the fish here.
Yeah, I do.
And Kinal generally orders about 12 dishes, can't finish one of them, and then we have a boot full of food to come home with. We've also got standard sort of, I mean, this is Khmer Restaurant 101. You've got all your things and then a box of tissues, no napkins to be seen. Right, excuse me, can you tell me what you ordered?
Just beef meatballs.
Beef, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, because you ate before, I suppose.
Lots of food.
Yeah. Mister's having some cucumber. And this is the lok lok that I have ordered, which is excellent. So these are really, really nice, big, chunky bits of beef. It's not really lok lok. You get the sauce, which is quite nice, but lok lok's got an egg on it, really, and should come with ice. But this is my style. This is their own sort of style of it, and it is excellent. Very good. Are you satisfied with your meatballs?
Just use.
I was pretty satisfied with my food. As you can see, not much remaining. Were you satisfied with the cucumber that you ate, mister?
Yeah.
Here you go. Have some more, buddy. Yeah, cucumber. There you go. Show everyone a good eater you are. Good job. I think that'll do us for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for coming along to Khmer New Year with us. So yeah, next time we'll see you, we'll probably be packing for Cambodia. And yeah, let us know in the comments if you want us to show you anything whilst we're there. Okay, that'll do it. Righto, we'll see you soon. Catch us later. Chicka chow.
Chicken chow.
Chicka chow.